The RIM extension identifies a BlackBerry device firmware file containing operating system images for BlackBerry smartphones. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you install or troubleshoot these BlackBerry device firmware files. Let's keep this in our back pocket. I have a specialized, rarely known method for opening RIM files when conventional applications give up. Here's a hint. Our ultimate backup plan is listed below. RIM files are firmware image files for BlackBerry devices containing the complete BlackBerry OS, including the operating system kernel application, runtime Java middleware, and built-in applications for updating or restoring BlackBerry smartphone software. BlackBerry RIM firmware files use a signed binary format containing compressed OS partitions, application bundles, and radio stack firmware. They are verified by the device's secure boot chain during firmware installation to prevent unauthorized modifications. The RIM format is inextricably linked to the application BlackBerry desktop software from BlackBerry Limited. Opening this file with an unknown Windows program poses a critical security risk. Windows cannot interpret system-level firmware images, so handling them requires device utilities. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your RIM file and select Open With. Test BlackBerry desktop software if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application conflicts. If you are still having trouble opening the RIM file, do not worry. The universal solution is coming, but first, the explanation. Here is the technical breakdown of why your system is rejecting the RIM file. First, installing firmware. Use BlackBerry desktop software to install RIM firmware files. Connect your BlackBerry via USB and the software detects available updates. For manual installation, place the RIM file in the appropriate loader directory and run the BlackBerry OS loader application. Next, recovery installation. If a BlackBerry is stuck or bricked, connect via USB and use BlackBerry desktop software's device recovery feature. The software detects the device in recovery mode and installs the RIM firmware to restore the device to working condition. Finally, legacy considerations. BlackBerry OS devices are no longer supported with security updates. RIM firmware files are relevant only for maintaining legacy devices. Consider migrating to current smartphone platforms. Archive RIM files for historical device preservation and legacy application compatibility. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.